So this part is Kalimpong city. This side you have the hills. Beyond the hills it is Darjeeling. And the other side in that direction is Gangtok. So this is the entrance of the cottage. Very small but decent and neat log cottage. Standard queen bed. Very well decorated. Total wooden paneling. Toilet is fine. We have geyser, but they have a restriction of getting water in the morning or in the evening. Like they will turn on the geyser then and then they will turn it off. What I like best is the balcony. Very small, cozy balcony with chairs. You can sit and enjoy this view for the whole day. Wow, that's something, right? Kanchenjunga had always interested me, but one thing is for sure, that the road conditions are really horrible. So it is not recommended that you should take your car out here unless you have a big car, something like Tata Sumo or some big vehicle with higher ground clearance and bigger wheels. Rest is excellent.